thật tùy chạm vào mình à thì đi mà có chocolate story specially so là thấy ngồi so mà các bạn đi bao lâu rồi AFK ဖြစ်သွားမယ်အဲ့ခုံဘောဟာရှိတယ်ခုံပြီးမှလည်းခုံရတာfun you ကျွန်တော်ပြန်လာပြီbus stop ကိုရောက်နေတယ်။ကျွန်တော်လူတယောက်တွေ့ရပါတော့ guys ။guys ဒါရတဲ့ဆိုးတယ်ဗျဒီမှာ။ Oh my ရတဲ့သူနာမည်က။
I'm so excited already. Let's go. The bus is waiting.
ဒီစကားကိုအေးစေးပြောဟာဖြစ်ပါလေတဲ့သူစကားပြောတာ guys ။မာယာကျွန်တော်စောင့်နေဘက်ကောင်းနေတဲ့အားကမတွန်းနေ။ကျွန်တော်တို့ကchocolate လူမာယာတဲ့ရောက်ဝင်လာမှမြန်တော့ chocolate ဆက်ရုံ
Looks like we finally made it to the chocolate factory.
chocolate factory
I'm glad that we can finally visit it.
ဟုတ်ပြီ
I can already smell the chocolate. I'm really getting hungry.
ဘိုက်စားလူကောင်းမအစားအတွက်တွေးတယ်
I can't wait anymore.
အေးဆရာမကြီးရှိရတော့ဆရာမကြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်နောက်ကလည်းဆရာမကြီးရှိရတော့ဟုတ်ကဲ့နေလိုက်တော့ဝါငါပဲရှိရတော့
Hey, welcome to the chocolate factory.
ကျွန်တော်တို့ကိုရတန်ကြီးခေါင်းကအလုပ်တရပြီဟာ guys ကျွန်တော်တို့လေ
Well done.
well done
Now, let's take a look at the conveyor belt where all the magic happens.
အမကနေမလောက်ပါလားအေးအလုပ်လေး chocolate ဒီတော့ဦး
အဲ့ဒီမကောင်းနဲ့
ကြားတယ်
So, this is where it all begins. To my right, you can see the conveyor belt.
okay
That's where the cocoa beans start their journey.
ဒါပဲသားချင်း
ကျွန်တော်ဘာလို့မလုပ်ဘူး
How about you try yourself?
ငါတော့စား
First, grab the beans from the box.
ဟိုတော့ကျွန်တော်basic boss ကိုကာကိုလာအမလေးကွာဒီမှာထားမယ်အော်ဒီမှာဟာဒီ place တဲ့โอ้ยကိုဘာလို့မသိဘူးမဖတ်တယ် and of left that this
Well done.
oh yeah what the fuck what is
Oh no, the conveyor belt seems to be jammed. Try to restart it.
oh it's just getting
There should be a generator in the engine room.
generator ရှိရဲ့ဒီမှာ generator
I will wait for you here while you repair the conveyor belt.
ခဘက်ကြောင်းရတယ်မျိုးခဘက် generator ကိုတော့မှာကွာ restart တဲ့ generator ပြန်စဟောမှာရောက်ပြီ generator ဝါအော်မကျွန်တော် guys မချောကလက်ဒီโอ้ချောကလက်ကတဲနေ
Nice job on fixing the generator. Now, it's time to grab the chocolate bars. Follow me.
ဟမ် ဟုတ်တယ် မဟုတ်အေးဘာလို့ဝါဟိုမှာ6ခုရှိတယ် guys ရှုပ်ကြရတယ်
Now place the chocolate bars inside the box and close it.
inside the box close အေးလည်းပါတိုင်း
You're doing such a good job. Well done.
အဒီကောင်ကဘာလဲအလုံးလည်းမလုပ် guys ဒီမှာလိုက်ကြည့်ရOh, what the fuck? Oh, overseer. That you better any of the Wait a minute.
I think you're just imagining things.
But that you better allow the mom.
I think it's time for you to take a break.
You're missing out, guys.
Maybe he is right, and we're just exhausted.
Where?
Don't be such a lazy head. Come on.
I'm
Follow
here,
me.
huh? Hey, hold on. What the hell, man? Haha. My baby, I'm not even mad. I'm just all day. What is happening? Oh, come on, that's a little bit high. I'm not even thinking.
Seems like there was a malfunction inside the factory. The problem has been fixed,
Guys,
so no reason to worry.
my whole camera, I'm not about that chocolate. My whole life, or I said I'm not being out 1 minute. Oh, my, then I don't. Shall she? Not what you know, flesh head on me. A black flesh head on me. What one of you not in the blue top? A chocolate guy. Come on, what do we do, guys? Is that? Who am I? Oh, shit. Holy, you are living. I don't know, I'm very blue. What am I living? Here, I'm very. I have feeling that. Oh my, hold on, ma. I don't go blue to arm, let me see. Blue to arm, my lemon. Okay. Do it. Home. Home, time fun. You got my lad, you have a few.
I'm so scared. What is happening here? There's something really wrong about this factory. I feel like someone is watching me.
Watching me. Someone
I
will
want
be out
to
here.
get out of here.
On the other watching. Hey, what the fuck?
Hey, what's going on inside here? I heard a scream, and all of a sudden, you were gone.
How we do keep? I'm a young
Hey guys, you look like you saw a ghost.
What they had to do? How you what the fuck?
Someone is following us. You have to help us. Please.
How you did it?
Don't be silly. Who should follow you guys in a chocolate factory?
Oh, don't be silly. Don't be silly, guys. Hello, baby, away. How do you think you are doing it here everything? နောက်တယ်ငါတို့တွေကထွက်ခိုင်းတာလေရောမချမ်းလားလွန်မိုးရော We just run and hide somewhere quick ညမတယောက်ပုံ
I will get you no matter what.
အာရဟာဟာတေးဝါလားဟာဘလူးကြီးလဲကွာဟာရောင်ဟာဟာရောင်ဟာဟာရောင်ဟာငါအစပြန်စားမယ်ပုံလားတော့ဒါနဲ့မရိုင်းဝါကြီးရောဘာမရိုင်းဝါကြီးကျွန်တော်လည်းအစားမစော့ကျင်တော့မှာကျွန်တော်လည်းခါမထွက်လိုက်ပါဘူးဖာ